Welcome to Taranker. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through how to utilize App Page. We will take Zotabox, a powerful promotion and conversion tool for Shopify stores as an example. On the Zotabox page, you'll first see the key tags, built for Shopify, free plan available, 30 days free trial, and verified. These tags help you identify essential features of the app at a glance. Next, you'll find the Try for Free button to install the app and the Compare button to see how Zotabox stacks up against similar apps. If the Unlock Deal button is available, simply click to receive the exclusive offer. Scrolling down, you'll come across the About Zotabox section, which highlights the app's launch date and categories, which help you to find other related apps according to the categories. Here, the description gives a detailed breakdown of the app's functionality and benefits. Further down is the Built by Zotabox section. This includes contact details, the developer's website, privacy policy, and FAQs. You can also watch an introductory video to learn more about the app. Below that, you'll find a Pros and Cons section to help you decide if Zotabox is the right app for your Shopify store. And finally, we have the Ratings and Reviews section, where you can read feedback from other users. That's it. Now you know how to navigate the Zotabox app page on Taranker. Visit Taranker.com to explore more top-rated Shopify apps and optimize your store today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips.